Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to edit your Canva template. So before you start anything, make sure that you're logged into your Canva account. And once you have logged in and you've already received your or you've already clicked on your Canva template link, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. Once you click on Use Template, it'll automatically create a copy of this template in your Canva account. So in this example, we've got some LinkedIn banners. If you want to add your image or an image even from the Canva library, you can do so by going to Elements. Let's say, let's add this one. So all you have to do is just drag it. Either you could drag it straight into the template like that. If you do have a frame, like a photo frame like this, you'll know that it's a photo frame because it has this like grass, cloud and sky type of image or graphic. Then you can just drag and drop your photos into that. You can change the size by just grabbing the anchor point in the corner, and you can also make further adjustments if you double click on it. That's what it'll look like. You'll just crop it off at the edge there, but we don't want to do that in this case. We'll just bring it back in. And you can also make some edits to the image by clicking on Edit Image. Change the brightness. There's plenty of adjustments that you can make, but that's all that we're going to do in this example. So this one, oh, actually, see, if you have your own image that you want to add, they'll be saved into the Uploads tab. And so let's say I have an image here in my Downloads folder. Just click on it and drag and drop into Canva, and it'll automatically upload in this tab. And so drag it over to add it to your template. If there's already text and you want to change what it says there, just click on it, double click or click, and then, oops, hit backspace, or you can highlight it all and delete everything and start typing in your message or name. If you want to change the size, you can either grab the anchor point on the end there, or go over here and change it by clicking the plus or minus sign. You can change the color by clicking on this A, and it says text color. You can choose from the automatically populated colors over here, or click on this plus sign and you can select something different just by moving the slider at the bottom here and the lower towards like the dark part. The more saturated the color will be, further up it'll be lighter. And change the font, just click on this tab here and choose something that you like, or you can even type, let's say, like the example here, it says try calligraphy, and it'll give you some examples here. And if you're not happy with how something looks like, you can either type Control Z or Command Z on your keyboard to undo, to undo what you've done, or this undo back button or back arrow, or redo with the forward arrow. In this template, there's some elements that can be resized, can be moved around, can even change the color. And let's see, you can also add other elements if you want. Let's type, let's see, stars. And let's choose this one. So some of these elements can be, you can either remove them or you can change the color as well. And then the background here, this one has a texture. So if you want to change the color, first off, select the background, select this background color square over here. Choose a different color, just like that. So this one, yeah, like I said, it has a texture, so you'll know if you double click on it, you'll see that this was previously an image that was just, the opacity has been turned down, or the transparency, yeah. So this is what it would look like at full opacity. This is at a lower opacity until you can barely see it. So if you don't want that, you can also just delete it and it'll leave you with a plain background, or change the color again. And yeah, so once you're happy with how everything looks, to download it, click on share and then download, choose the file type. In most cases, if it's something like an image that you're going to be putting on like your social media, or let's say like your LinkedIn profile, then I would just leave it as a PNG or a JPEG. And so once you're happy with that, you can select whether you want to download all the pages in your template or just the one. So this one, I'm just going to choose just the one, press done, and looks like it's completed. And so it should show up in your downloads folder. So might just need a second there. There we go. And there it is. And so yeah, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, leave me a comment leave me a question in the comments below, or send me a message either through Etsy or send me an email. And yeah, good luck with your template design, and thanks again for watching. Bye.